how we make ourselves every day, how to avoid wrinkles in our forehead and our skin, and also the face. We have to be very carefully care every day or twice a week, or 3 times in a month to do these, and then also the nose. You sometimes do that. Mm, Please then take a little bit pressure, then your skin stretch away from the stress. This and I'm 48 years old and I must be this. Do it again. This is how we make more younger look.